guys, my name is DJ Gamer here today, and the truck that you guys saw, the black truck, the black Peterbilt, not black Peterbilt, sorry about that, the black truck that I told you about, that I just customized, that truck that I customized, it's a delivery truck, but truck is the reason why I painted it black is that me, Christopher, and Quentin have this group called CPI, Cedaredge Paranormal Investigators. And that's why I paint the truck black, because I can put CPI on a truck and put little words underneath it, like CPI, Cedaredge Paranormal Investigators. So, yeah. And if you guys have any activity in your house or something like that, just give me a call or download Messenger and find DJ Harper or Dakota Harper on Facebook. My Facebook will be Dakota Harper. Just look for the Lamborghini logo, and I will be contacting you guys if you have any activity in your house. Just contact me and Christopher. So just contact me. That's why I painted the truck black, because the truck is black, because it's going to be coded with 3 letters on it: Cedaredge Paranormal Investigators. So if you like that idea, put a like down this video, make that like turn blue, okay? And subscribe.